Hi guys, good morning. My name is Roja Rane. Welcome to online workshop. Okay, today we'll discuss about Bootstrap. Before going to Bootstrap, first you should know about what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you know HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it is very easy to learn Bootstrap. Okay, now for that purpose, first I will give somewhat overview about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Listen carefully. Okay, now, HTML means hypertext markup language. What is that? Hypertext markup language, which is used to create very basic structure of our web page. Okay, but no one attractive for that basic structure of web pages. Everyone will attract if our web page is very good. Correct or not? Okay, for that purpose, they introduce that is nothing but CSS. Okay, CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet. Name itself saying we are applying styles to the what is that HTML content. To the HTML content, we are applying CSS properties to attract the users. Okay, and next later we have JavaScript. JavaScript means we are using to do functionalities in that web page. Okay, now suppose for example take email login. If you want to log into email and they are giving one what is that email id and password, right? That email id and password, okay, that boxes we can create by using html, and later we can give style effect to the that input boxes by using css, and after entering data, if you want to submit that data and some functionalities we are doing, right? Means what is that functionality? After entering email id and password, you are submitting that by what is that email id and password. Later if it is correct compared with previous one, directly it is entering to the your email, right? That is nothing but functionality. That functionalities we can create by using javascript. Okay, if you want example with any one product, then see here below one car is there. Okay, now here if you want to prepare one car, imagine we are preparing one what is that small car. Okay, for that one what we required, some predefined equipments we require, right? That predefined equipment is nothing but html. Without that pre-requirements we cannot move forward. Okay, that is nothing but html. And next after that you have pre requirements and you created car, but no one attracting to that car because that car not having any color. Okay, if you want any color, okay, that we are applying what is that paint, right? That paint is comes under css in our web technology. Okay, now after that if you want to do any functionalities like applying what is that brakes and each and every functionality in that car is possible, okay, by using what is that javascript. Means I'm comparing our car with web page. Okay, this is love story about html, css and javascript. Okay, fine ma'am, html, css, javascript, everything is there, then why again we need to learn bootstrap, right? That is one question for us. Okay, why we need to learn bootstrap and what is the use of bootstrap? Okay, now listen carefully. By using css we can create web pages. By using css what we need to do, we can create web pages. Okay, but that web page it is not adjusting as per the screen. It is not adjusting as per the screen. Means what happened? See, take example, call it as Amazon. Amazon is one website, right? That website nowadays someone using in mobile, someone using at a time. At a time, I'm telling someone using in mobile, someone using in laptop, someone using in tabs, and someone using in other device. Right? Means what happened? That web page, it is giving as per the screen proper format. That proper format is not possible by using CSS. It is possible by using Bootstrap. Okay, Bootstrap they developed only because of responsiveness. Okay, now what is responsive? Responsive means we need to adjust that web page for what is it, mobile screen, laptop screen, LED screen, each and everything guys. Okay, that is nothing but Bootstrap. And open source means what? It will available without any cost, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now it is the most popular, okay, framework which is useful for what is that, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, now who developed that? This is developed by Twitter people. Okay, now why they created actually Bootstrap? To creating web applications in very responsive way. Okay, now Bootstrap is nothing but what? It is one of the framework. It is available open source. Okay, means without any cost we can use that one. Why we are using that? To creative very responsive web application. Okay, now who created that? Twitter people, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now next later what is that, some advantages we have. Okay, now what are all the advantages? First one, call it as responsive. Okay, now what is that responsive meaning? We'll see here. For example, I will take one example, call it as Amazon. Okay, now what is that example? Amazon. And in this Amazon website, okay, take any one website. Okay, now it is looking in this laptop very clearly, right? Suppose I will open this one in mobile also, it will give very responsive without eliminating even one single content also. It will give in our mobile, even in LED also it will give. Means what is that? That is one of the responsive. Okay, now ma'am, how you are saying? Now look at here. Suppose for example, I'm minimizing my screen. Okay, now look at here. Suppose for example here responsive way we have. Okay, in this responsive I will take first one responsive, and based on responsive we can move and we can observe. Okay, now I will go with here iPad. In iPad also, just wait, I will select this one. It is not selecting. Okay, uh, yeah. Okay, now it is giving same thing, right? Responsive it is giving or not? It is giving responsive without eliminating anything. It is giving all the things, right? See here also adjusted. This is nothing but responsive. Okay, now this Amazon web page they created like responsive way. Okay, by using Bootstrap also we can create our web pages in very responsive and good way. And now next another thing, another point, call it as what is that? Browser compatibility. Means what? You can means by using this Bootstrap we can use what is that, this one in Chrome also. Mean it is compatibility, it is flexible for any browser. That is meaning. Okay, means it is applicable for Chrome also, it is applicable for what is that, Firefox also. Any browser it is compatibility, means flexible for any browser. There's Bootstrap. Okay, now next another thing, call it as consistency. Okay, now another thing, call it as supportive, and we can use easily and we can set up this one very easily. Okay, now directly we'll enter into the topic is, and here Bootstrap we can go with two ways. Okay, Bootstrap we can go with two ways. First one is by using directly URLs. Okay, directly we can take URLs in our Visual Studio and we can develop our web pages. And second process is nothing but installation process. Okay, we can install that Bootstrap in our Visual Studio and we can proceed forward. Okay, both the process possible. Okay, today I will go with what is it, only URLs. Okay, it is very easy process. And for that one, okay, now first what we will do, we'll go to our Bootstrap page. Okay, now I will take here one Bootstrap. What is it? Website. This is one original Bootstrap web page. Okay, in this original Bootstrap web page, lot of things they given. Okay, what is that? Lot of things we'll discuss here. Okay, now are you observing here, docs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, now open these docs. In that docs, okay, now each and everything predefined code they given here. I'm scrolling. Okay, in this one lot of content we have. I think already you learned this. What is a Z index? Okay, now CSS great and great concept. Okay, colors, how to apply colors in CSS. Okay, next another thing, input, layout, okay, alerts, everything you learn in CSS, right? Okay, that CSS only we are modifying somewhat in different way, like responsive to the browser. Okay, means here they are giving some predefined code, guys. What is that? Predefined code. Okay, now if you want to take this predefined code, if you want to utilize this predefined code, first what we need? Bootstrap links we need. Okay, that Bootstrap links we can take in two ways: directly with the help of URLs we can do our program, or with the help of installation process also we can do. Okay, now today I will discuss about what is that URLs. Okay, now in this one, get started with Bootstrap is there, right? Just scroll this web page, and in this web page they are giving here what is that CDN links. If you press this CDN links, they given one anchor tag link for this one. Okay, here they are giving what is that CDN links. Okay, in this CDN links, okay, URL, and this URL particularly for CSS, one URL we have, and next for JS also another URL we have. Okay, two URLs. Okay, now if any functionality if you want in this Bootstrap, you need JSN link. Okay, if you want CSS, okay, with responsive, then you will take this link. Okay, now I'm copying this link. I'm copying this link, and after copying this link, okay, what you will do, just go to your what is a desktop and create one folder. Okay, in this folder I'm creating, okay, now name call it as Bootstrap. Okay, now batch call it as morning 7:30. Okay, like that I give it. Are you understanding? Are you following us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, super. Okay, now just drag this into the Visual Studio, and it is giving here one folder, right? Okay, now in this folder, just wait guys, I hope now it is visible for you very clearly. Okay, now one, what is it? Folder created, and folder name what is that? Bootstrap 7:30, right? Inside this folder, I'm creating one new file. Okay, now this symbol is nothing for creating new file, and this one is nothing for new folder. Already we create a new folder, so no need to create again new folder. Instead of that one, what we need? New file, right? Okay, now here I'm taking one new file, and inside new file, okay, I'm giving one HTML file, and that HTML file name call it as index. But we cannot give directly index. Mandatory we have to give what is that extension, call it as .html, that is creation of our HTML folder. Okay, now I given what is it, enter. After enter, now cursor moving into that file, and later I need predefined HTML code. How can I get predefined HTML code? Anyone tell me?
Shift 1.
Yeah, superb. Okay, now shift 1, and next what is that? Hit enter. Shift 1 and hit enter. Okay, now it is giving predefined code, and in this predefined code, okay, now we are discussing about Bootstrap. If you do Bootstrap, then first we need to link, right? Already I copied this link. Yes or no? Okay, now if you want, again look at CDN links. In that CDN link, CSS, and for that CSS one URL they provided. Okay, I'm taking this complete URL. Okay, means I'm copying by using Control C. Okay, after Control C, go to your Visual Studio. Now anyone tell me guys, how can I link my CSS what is that URLs in this HTML page? By using which tag?
href.
What? Ah, href is one attribute for particular tag. Okay, what is the tag I'm asking?
Anchor tag.
Anchor tag? Anyone?
Link tag.
Yeah, super Braja. What is that? Link. Okay, now take your link and hit enter. It is giving what is that relation? What is that relation? Style sheet and href means hyperlink reference. Already we copied that reference. Now I'm giving here. Are you understanding this point, everyone? Just give a confirmation, then I will move forward. Simple. Okay, I went to what is that Bootstrap original website, and in that original website I copied this link. Okay, I copied this CSS URL. Okay, if you want to take any CSS URL, okay, in HTML page, we have to go with what is that link tag. Okay, they are also given what is that link tag, right? Okay, that only I did here. Understood everyone this link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, super. Okay, now next what I need, some functionalities also we need. Okay, now what is that functionality? If you want, just look at here guys. Okay, I will tell with the help of one example. Okay, now we'll go with here one name, call it as navbar. Whether we have or not, check it here. Yeah, navbar is there. Go to this navbar. In this navbar, they are providing different type of navigations, right? Can I say it is by default? They only provided for us default. Now predefined code they provided, right? Okay, now in this one output also they are showing upper side. In this one, observe carefully, these all the things normally only, but when it comes to drop down list, okay, it is not showing anything. Okay, after pressing on the drop down only, it is giving one drop down list. Okay, means what happens, some action happening after pressing button. After pressing what is that drop down list button only it is giving. Means what happened, we did some functionality, right? This type of functionality is possible only after giving what is that JS link in our what is that Visual Studio, right? Okay, now for that purpose, okay, now what we are doing, we are linking our JavaScript what is it code. Okay, now I will take this complete URL, JavaScript URL for functionality purpose. Okay, now again go to your Visual Studio and link this guys. Okay, now how can I link my JS link in our web page? Means HTML code. Look at here, scripted app. Okay, script src, and inside src we are giving what is that JavaScript link. Okay, means linking process done, correct? CSS. Okay, now links done, and next what is that script link also done. Okay, now shall we start, okay, Bootstrap process? Shall we start Bootstrap topics?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now look at here guys. First topic I will tell about what is that color. Okay, now in CSS how you did h1 tag. Inside h1 tag, suppose I'm giving one statement, call it as welcome to, okay, welcome to what is that color topic. One statement I given. Suppose I need any one of the color for this one, we can use in CSS three ways: HTML, CSS, and Java. Internal, inline, and external. Okay, extremely sorry. What is that? Inline, internal, and external. Okay, now I will take internal by using style tag. Just I'm telling randomly for you. Okay, now tag name, and inside tag name we given color colon, call it as red, right? Okay, now after that I need to execute this program. Go to open with live server. Okay, now port number 550, right? Just go to your browser and next to take your port number, and what is that port number? 550. Now it is giving red color, right? But what I'm saying, look it, I don't want to give this one with the help of normal CSS. Okay, now I need to give with the help of what is that? Bootstrap, right? Okay, now for that one they given for us one, what is that? Predefined code. What is that predefined code? Check it here. Check where we have color. Okay, now color and background we have. Open that color and background, and anything they given here. Yes. Okay, now one primary color they given, secondary color, success color, danger, warning, info, light, and dark. These all are predefined names, guys. Okay, predefined names provided by Bootstrap people. Okay, now remember one thing: if you want to take any Bootstrap names, predefined names, mandatory we have to mention that in class attribute only. Okay, now here I am taking one class attribute. Okay, now just go with your HTML code, and inside HTML code class attribute, and inside class attribute. Okay, now here different type of what is it, names they given, different types of names they given. Now I will take one name, call it as primary is one predefined color name. Okay, now that it will give like this color. Just go to here, again take text is one, what is it, property name, and here I'm giving color, and color is nothing but primary. Okay, now after that go to your browser and check it is giving text color primary or not. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, everybody following or not?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, super. Okay, now look at here, guys. It is giving what is that one? Primary color. Okay, now after primary color, ma'am, not only primary, we have different colors, right? I'll take another color. Now in this one, I'm giving statement, call it as welcome to paragraph. Okay, what is that? Welcome to paragraph. Now for this one, previously you given one color with the help of normal CSS, but now we are giving color with the help of Bootstrap. How can I take Bootstrap? What is that predefined code inside here? By using class attribute, right? Okay, now I'm taking here class attribute, and inside class attribute and name, call it as text, and what is our color? Suppose I'm taking color name, call it as danger. Okay, that is one predefined name, guys. Predefined name, what is that, provided by Bootstrap. Again go to browser and check it whether we have danger color or not. Yes or no? Like this, okay, like this they provided for us different colors. Okay, if you want take another color name, call it as secondary, and success. Okay, success means what? Green color, right? Okay, if you want, again check here, I'm giving bg means background, guys. What is that? Bg means background, and for this background I'm giving color name, call it as success. Okay, now again go to browser, okay, and check it whether it is giving or not. Background color for that text, it is giving success is nothing but it is showing like green color. Okay, that is predefined colors provided by Bootstrap people. Are you getting?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
getting my point?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, okay. Now we'll take here, what is that? Color we can go with two ways. First one for text color. Okay, text color we give it like this by using text color. Okay, example if you want, take here only. And first example name text and color name first I will take, call it as primary. Okay, if you want take another color text and color name, call it as danger. Okay, now second thing, call it as background, right? Okay, now in CSS we can give background color by using, what is that, background color colon and color name, right? But when it comes to Bootstrap we are giving bg means background. Okay, now after that we are giving color name. Suppose for example we'll take here like this. Okay, now what is that, bg. Okay, now I find, and later I'm taking, what is that, primary. Sorry, are you getting my point? Yeah, okay. Now next, later another process we have. Okay, now that process is nothing but buttons. Okay, for buttons also we can give color. What is that, buttons, and for this buttons also we can give color. Okay, now look at here guys, I will take here buttons. What is that, three buttons I will take, are four buttons, and at a time by using button star 4 enter. Okay, now it is giving multiple buttons, and for this multiple buttons, okay, I will give name. Okay, now first name, call it as submit, and second name I will take like what is it, close, and next after that, okay, now tell me anyone, shall we go with login? Okay, now login, and next after button name, call it as logout. Just randomly I am taking guys. Okay, now after that just go to our browser and check it buttons created or not. Yes, buttons created, and for this buttons previously we given background color, call it as blue, green, red, right? But this time we are going with what is it, Bootstrap colors. For that one also they given. Okay, how they given, just check it here in this web page, predefined code available for buttons also. Okay, buttons, and for this button, see, primary, okay, secondary, success, danger, warning, info, light, dark, link, everything we have. Okay, now if you want, just copy this predefined code. Okay, and apply here, will give for this what is that, previous what we created one color. Before going to that, once check predefined thing. Okay, how it is giving, see buttons color it is giving or not, it is giving. Now same color primary I need for my submit. Okay, how to give that one, just take this class btn primary, it is one Bootstrap. Okay, there is no option for us, we need to remember these names. Okay, now without remembering names we cannot create our web page with responsive way. Okay, we cannot give color. Now look at it is giving or not, both are same, our submit and primary both are same. Understood guys? Suppose for example success color I need. Okay, how to give success color? Again for login I am giving btn instead of primary. What we need to give, success. Okay, I given here btn success, and again check it, see same process for success and login, it is giving same thing. Okay, it is nothing but text color, bg color, and buttons color. Understood? Shall we move forward? Anyone give response?
Okay, madam.
Only Murali giving response. What about others? Murali and Navya both are giving response. Okay, now give response and listen carefully. And next we'll go with another topic. Okay, now what is that topic? Just look at here. Again, I will take another new file. because already this much code we given. So for you confusion, then we'll take another file. Okay. Now that file name I'm giving here border.html. Okay. Now inside this one, okay, predefined code means shift 1. What is that? Enter. Hit enter. Shift 1, enter. Okay. Now I'm creating one division, guys. What is that? Division. And for this division, okay, now class name. I'm taking class name, call it as box. This is not Bootstrap name. Okay. This is our own name. Okay. Now next here I'm checking internal CSS. Inside internal CSS, how to take class names? With the help of dot, right? Okay, now dot and class name, and inside class name I'm giving some properties. Okay, width 300 pixel, and next I given height. Okay, now for this height again 300 pixel, but I don't want to give any color here. Instead of that one, I'm applying, okay, what we learned just now, BG, and color name, call it as primary. Okay, now check whether it is giving in our browser that code or not. This is our, what is that, topic. This one we discussed. Now look at here. Now I eliminated everything and I will start freshly here only. And next here, what is that? One division I will create, and for this one class equals to box name we given, right? Okay, now go to here, and for this one style tag, and inside style class dot class name means dot, okay, box. Inside here width I'm considering like 200 pixel, and next height I'm considering like, okay, now 200 pixel. Okay, now after that background color I need, I will take that background color here only, BG primary, and let's go to our file and check it whether it is giving or not. What happened? Just wait, guys. I don't know what happened. What mistake we did? Anyone tell me?
Background color.
Sorry? No. What actually we given Bootstrap, what is that, predefined name, but we did one mistake. Blender mistake. What is
Link.
that? We thought
Link.
Bootstrap links we are observing in our browser. How it will give? No, right? Okay. Now again go to code and take, what is that, Bootstrap links. URL. Okay, now take this URL and upload here. Okay, how to do that one? By using link tag, right? Okay, inside link tag we uploaded one CSS, and next the same thing JavaScript also. Okay, now take this JavaScript and give it here script src, right? Okay, inside script src we given that link. Now check it whether it is giving primary color for this one or not. It is giving, right? Okay, now anyone tell me, guys, exactly I need this one center of my web page I need. Okay, now would you learn topic in CSS? This is one of the, okay, now child division for parent of body, correct or not? Means here, can I say my body is one parent for my division? Okay, now based on what is that parent, can I move my child element exactly center of my parent? Yes, possible. What is that concept in
Position.
CSS? What is that concept? I think you forget. Okay, display concept. Okay, inside display we given one justify content. Okay, it is acting like one parent. Okay, now after that justify content center means what happened? It will take horizontal movement. Now it is taking horizontal movement inside that parent or not? See, this is nothing but complete body. Okay, inside body we given justify content center means horizontal movement exactly center. Okay, I need vertical movement. Okay, what is that name? What is that name? Anyone? Align items center, right? Okay, now I given align item center, but look at here, it is not giving any vertical movement, guys. Why? Because for body, okay, it is taking by default infinite height without specifying height. It cannot understand, okay, for what height you need exactly center. So what we need to give height, and inside height I'm taking like, what is that, 100% viewport height, means whatever the height we are saying, inside that height exactly center I need. Now look at, it is giving exactly center or not, means this is nothing but 100% viewport height. Okay, means this much we are seeing now, so it is nothing but 100% viewport height. Inside 100% viewport height exactly center it is giving. Correct or not, everybody? Are you following or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but this is the thing I don't want to give with the help of CSS. Okay, now I need to give this one with the help of Bootstrap. Okay, now for that one we have one concept here. That concept is nothing but flex concept. Now check where we have flex. Check, yes, here we have flex, right? Okay, inside flex, okay, now number of things they given. Deflex means previously in CSS I given display flex, but when it comes to Bootstrap, okay, it is converted into deflex. D means display, flex means flex is one value for that, what is that, display. Understood? Next, inline flex. What is this? D? Display inline flex. Like this, everything we have. See, flex row direction means flex row. Next, flex row reverse. Everything they converted. I given justify content center, right? Now justify content, and that name directly they given here like this. Justify content. Start means starting, justify content, end means ending. Okay, starting position, ending position, and justify content exactly center, and between means between they given. Okay, around means around evenly. These all the things we'll see now. But are you understanding how they converted our CSS names into Bootstrap names? Different way, right? Both are concept is same, but syntax somewhat different. Okay, now here same process I need to do. Where I given for my parent of this box. Okay, what is our parent? Body, right? These all the things I'm applying for my body. Okay, now how can I apply my Bootstrap properties with the help of class, right? Inside class, first what is the display flex. When it comes to Bootstrap, it is giving D. Okay, now what is that? Flex. This is first one. And second one, what I given, justify content center. Instead of colon, it is taking, what is that, hyphen. Okay, now I will give justify content, and next what is that, center. Now check it whether it is giving center or not with horizontal movement. Yes, it is giving. And next what I need, vertical movement, right? Vertical movement means again align items. Okay, now center, exactly it is giving center. Understood now? Previously in CSS you given like this. Okay, now with the help of Bootstrap, now you are giving inside class directly. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now not only align items center, okay, not only justify content center, we have different values, right? We have different values. Now we'll do one thing, just copy this code and go to your Visual Studio. Now check it whether it is giving or not. Already division means directly we cannot take properties, right? Because already I given class name. Then do one thing, just copy this content, and for all the things I will give only one what is that, specific size with the help of tag name. Okay, now what is that specific size? Suppose for example 200 pixel, and next height is also 200 pixel I give it. Now just check it here whether it is giving or not. It is giving, but dot space it is giving. Then we'll do one thing, will modify our code. Okay, now instead of this one, okay, instead of these 3 dots, we'll go with your colors. That is better for us. Okay, now how to take colors? Anyone tell me how can I take background color with the help of Bootstrap? Just now we learned. Okay, now BG, our next color. Okay, now primary is one color, and next another color I will take, and that color is nothing but danger. And next another color.
Structure.
Okay, now what is that color name?
Secondary.
Success. And next,
Secondary.
yeah, super. Okay, now secondary. Next, anyone? Can I take dark? Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
dark like this we give it. Now it is showing. Correct? Now I think one is missed. What is that color? I think success spelling wrong. Okay. Now success and check it. Yes, all the things it is giving, right? Okay. Now look at here, guys. Now what I will do? Just I will comment this first one. Okay, these all the things and check only one. Okay, now where it is giving here, and next we'll do one thing, display flex justify content start it is giving. Okay, now I given body color body things also, so it is showing like that. Do one thing, take it as inside one comment. Okay, now check where it is giving starting, right? Now next second uncomment second one, and where it is giving check once. Okay, now justify content end means where it will give ending position, right? Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, madam.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll proceed where we are in this one, right? Okay, now look at here, guys. Now next what is that? Justify content end means where it will give ending of our web page, right? Again it is giving starting only. Then what is the problem? We'll check. Display flex be given and justify content end. Again it is not taking. What is the problem? Anyone? Check and then starting only it is giving. Then we'll do one thing. Okay, now that word I will not copy from Bootstrap. Okay, directly I will type because some of the things we cannot identify. Okay, suddenly we cannot identify. It is giving again starting only. Okay, then we'll do one thing. Okay, directly we will only type. Okay, now how to do that one? Just look at here. Okay, I'm taking this box and just observe. Okay, now it is giving starting position by default, right? And next after that I will take here. Okay, now display. Here I will take what is that? Display flex, and next after display flex we'll do remaining things with the help of division only. Then take division star 3. Okay, inside this one I hope already you know the shortcut control alt down arrow at a time it will take, and class name, and for this class name I am giving what is a div. Okay, now we'll go with your dot div, and inside dot div. Okay, now width I will take like 100 pixel, and next height I will take like 100 pixel. Okay, now what is my parent box width? 200. So 200 100 means 300 exceeding, right? 300, but here 200 only. Okay, exceeding our parent, then we'll do one thing, 500, and height is 200, and this height is 100 right? Okay, now do one thing, instead of here go with 400. Are you understanding what I'm saying? See here guys, this one, this division width previously 200, but For this child, we given 100, 100, 100 means 300, exceeding, right? After giving display, it will give horizontal means exceeding of our parent. So that's what I increased our width. Now it is giving like this, right? Inside here, I need to give colors. Then take here Control Alt down arrow is shortcut. And next, okay, now BG is nothing but background. And first color I will take like danger, okay. And next after danger, and second one will go with your success color. And next after success color I will take like dark, okay. Now again check whether it is created or not. Yes, created. Now anyone tell me this primary exactly center of my web page I need. Now what is our parent of this one? For this primary, what is our parent? Body, right? So inside body, can I give this properties? Center property? Yes or no? These are all the things I extended from what is that CSS only. Exactly center it is giving. Okay. Now observe carefully. Here we given display. Now by default justify content. Okay. Start only it is taking. Whether I'm giving start or without start also, it will stay in that position only. That is one by default number. I will take here end. End means what happened? It is going to end. Are you understanding? It's shifted to what is it? Right side. Ending position. Now center means what? It will give exactly center. Mean justify content moving only horizontal, not vertical way. Okay, if you want vertical way, again we have another property. But before going to that, in justify content, not only center, not only start, not only end, we have another thing. What is that? Justify content between, right? Between means what happened? It is creating what is that? Spaces in between of child elements. Now space created or not between? Yes, created. And next, another thing, not only space between, space around means around the child divisions. Okay, it is giving space means this side as well as this side and this side. Okay, now space around we have, and next between we have, and next what we have? Evenly also we have, right? Okay, now I will go with here evenly. Now it will create even space. Now same equal space evenly it is created. Understood, guys? How to give this justify content? Please let me know, are you following or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, super. Okay, now next year align items I will give start means where it will sit, starting vertical movement. I'm telling, see, align item means vertical movement it will take, and justify content means horizontal movement it will take. Now present I'm discussing about this vertical movement. Starting means starting position only, and next year I will take what is that? Center means it will sit vertically center. Are you understanding? See, sorry. Okay, now next another thing, ending. Okay, I will give here end, then it will sit exactly ending position. This is nothing but display flex concept. Previously we discussed about color, and next we discussed about what is that? Display concept, display flex concept in Bootstrap. Okay, shall we move forward?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah.
Madam,
Okay.
Vakita will continue with it.
Now look at here, guys. Focus carefully. Now we discussed about what is a display flex concept. Done. Next, after display flex, again another topic I'm taking. I hope already you heard that word. Call it as okay, box model in your CSS. Correct or not? Box model concept. Inside box model, okay, what are all the things we have? Border we have. Okay, now if you want, I will take here only in Spring. Okay, in that inspect and check it here. See, now are you observing this box? Everyone, are you observing this box?
Yes, madam.
This is nothing but box model, guys. This is nothing but what is that? Box model. Okay, in this box model, okay, how many what is that topics we have? Margin, border, and padding, right? Padding means inside of the border. Okay, margin means outside of the border. Okay, this is nothing but box model concept. I hope already you learned it is in CSS. Okay, that only I am discussing with the help of Bootstrap. Okay, now again come to actual topic. This is box model. Inside box model we have border. First name, what is it? Border. And second one, it is nothing but what is it? Margin. Margin means outside of the border we are creating spaces. Next, padding. Padding means inside of the border we are creating spaces. Now we'll discuss these three with the help of Bootstrap. How to give that one. Now for that one, what you will do one thing, just comment this line and just observe what is difference for normal HTML and Bootstrap. Again, division, and for this division, one class name, and inside class name, we'll take like one class name, right? What you want? Okay, shall we go with box one? Okay, now take here box one, and inside box one property I'm giving, and this property name, what is that? Width 300 pixel and height is also 300 pixel. Okay, now background color already you know, so I'm giving here only BG, and color name call it as, suppose for example, success means green color. Whether we are getting or not, yes, we are getting. Now for this one, what I need, one border, right? Now how can I give border in CSS? With the help of border property, and border following what is that? 2 pixel. 2 pixel is one thickness. Next, later what I want? Solid. Solid is one style. Okay, now after style what I want? Color, right? Okay, now color I give it. Now it is giving or not, right? Color it is giving, right? Okay, now this thing I need with the help of Bootstrap. Yes. Okay, now this border I'm not providing with the help of CSS. Instead of that one, I'm providing with the help of what is that? Bootstrap. Okay, now for that one, again go to website and check borders. Check what is that? Border. Okay, in this border they are providing what is that? If you want border, it is giving class name, call it as border. Same thing apply for your division. Okay, now class, inside class I give it border, and after giving border, check in our web page any difference is there now or not. See, border created or not? Small border we have or not? Are you observing? Okay, now I hope for you it is difficult. Then do one thing, body color take like a dark. Okay, BG, and what is it? Color name, call it as dark, and check it now. See, any border is there now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, one border
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there for this division, right? Okay, now we'll discuss about this border. Okay, now here simply I given border, guys. Simply I given border means what happened? All four sides it is taking instead of that one. Okay, I need only top direction means border, hyphen, and top I give it. Okay, now later where it is giving? It is giving only top direction. Are you observing? See, left to right and bottom we don't have, only top direction we have, means individually also we can take properties. Are you getting my point? Like this,
Yes,
for
ma'am.
border Okay, now we have border. Normal border means 4 sides, border top, and next we can go with border bottom, and we can take what is that, left direction, and we can take right direction. These all the direction individually also we can take. Okay, that is first point. Yes. Okay, now border we created, but thickness is very less. Yes or no? Thickness is very less. I need more thickness. Okay, for that more thickness they are given for us one size. Okay, now what is that size? Look at here guys, range is in between 0 to 5, in between 0 to 5. Okay, now look at here, I'm providing here border, call it as 1. Okay, border call it as 1. Now anything it is giving, just wait, I will go with your border 3. Okay, it is not showing, right? We'll do one thing, border, and next here border 3. Just wait. Okay, now it is giving border, right? Okay, now look at here, border for providing border, and here for increasing size, here for increasing size again I given what is that, border thickness, right? It is giving again what is that, border thickness. Are you understanding? Hey, are you following or not?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now here I given border 1. Now what happened? It is giving very less. Now here I given border 3 means more. Suppose I will use 4. Now how much it is giving? More it is giving, right? Suppose I will go with here border 5. Now what happened? It is giving again more thickness. But I'm exceeding 5. I'm exceeding what is that, 5. Okay, now I will go with here 6. Now what it is giving? It is giving default value, means we exceed a range of our border, so not at all possible. Fixed size we have for our border 0 to 5. Remember that one. That is one predefined value, 0 to 5 only we have. Except I need 10, I need 20. No, not at all possible. It will not accept. Okay, it will take only 0 to 5. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Super guys. Okay, now 5 I given, it is giving more border, but color is, it is giving white only. I need what is a danger color? How can I give? Anyone tell me? Okay, shall we apply like this, border? Okay, now I will go with your danger. Now is it possible or not? Check. It is giving color, right? Suppose I will go with here another color. Okay, now what is that color? Color name, call it as primary. It is taking or not primary color? It is taking. It is one syntax for color. Are you understanding? I don't know you observed or not. I'm discussing about this one only. Thickness. Thickness means here we are giving 2 pixel, 3 pixel. But when it comes to Bootstrap, border hyphen 1 to 0 to 5 range, right? Okay, next color. Here I given directly color, but when it comes to here, what I given color? Border primary. Understood? I'm waiting for your reply. Understood or not?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, practically, think practically. Why I'm giving here CSS? I'm comparing this CSS with Bootstrap. Okay. Now next, after that, what I need? Radius I did. Previously, radius how we given? Like this we given, right? Border radius. And for this border radius, okay, now we applied, suppose 10 pixel. 10 pixel means at a time it will take, what is it, 20 pixel or 10 pixel, some value. And next, I need circle. Circle means what we did previously. What is it, 50%. It is giving circle, right? Now same thing. I don't want with the help of CSS. I need with the help of Bootstrap. How to give that one? Look at here. Before going to, I want to show for you here only. See, radius. Okay, in this radius, first one what we have, rounded. Rounded means all directions it is giving one rounded format. Now rounded top means only top direction rounded given. Okay, now what is this one? Rounded right, left direction or right direction? A left or right? Right direction. See, it is giving right direction means what? End direction, right? Next, now what is this direction? Bottom direction, right? Nowadays what is that? Left direction. Left means what? Starting. Now circle means directly they are given one circle name only. Okay, now next, this one is nothing but what is that name? Pill. It is one, what is it? Radius names. Now we'll take all the names here and we'll check one by one. First name, what is that? Rounded, right? Okay, we'll take here rounded and check it whether it is giving rounded or not. See, rounded 4 directions it is giving. It is giving rounded 4 direction. Now suppose I need only top direction. What I will do? Rounded and top, and again check it here guys. See, bottom both the things sharp, but when it comes to top, okay, it is giving radius. Like this we can take for bottom, starting, ending, everything. Okay, now next here I will go with what is it? Circle. What is that? Circle. Again check it here, it is giving circle or not? Yes. Okay, pill format I need, then go with your one pill format. Okay, pill format it is giving same like circle. Why? Because okay, our division width and height both are same. We cannot observe that. Okay, instead of what you will do, go with your 400, then we can observe what is that pill direction. See, it is nothing but pill direction. Okay, now mom apply what is that circle, then how it is giving same like pill or different way. We'll check circle. Okay, now it is giving different, it is giving like ellipse. Now understood difference? Pill is different, circle is different. Difference clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, it is about what is that? Border. First border for creating border, and second border we given for size, and third border we given for what is that? Color, and fourth one we given for radius. Okay, these all the things about border. Okay, and next after that okay, what I will do, I will create one button guys. Inside here one button, and for button I'm giving previously what we learned, that only I'm applying directly. What is that? btn, and color name will go with your danger. Okay, inside here I will take name, call it as submit. Okay, inside it is giving, but we given now what is that? Rounded, so it is taking instead of this one go with round. Yes, it is giving or not one button?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Now carefully observe guys. Inside box model, one topic we completed, that is called as border. Okay, now next topic what we have? Super margin, right? Now go to your actual web page and check it. Actual web page and check it. Margin we have or not here. Check any margin. We have, but we need to search where we have it is. Okay, we'll do one thing, any search bar they given facility for us, right? Then take here like margin, enter. Okay, now it is giving margin and sorry, margin and padding it is giving. Okay, now previously we'll compare with our CSS. How to compare? First go to here and check. Now here for this submit button, I need one border guess first because it is not showing any border. How can I take border? Can I take here like this border? Yes. Okay. Now check one border provided or not. One border provided. Okay. Now what I'm doing? Look at practically I'm showing because here writing pattern are there, so I need to show visualize. I need to give visualization for you, right? Here only I'm giving. Now look at here, guys. This border line. Are you observing middle border line? Middle border line. Please, anyone give reply quickly.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, okay, that border consider here, that border, okay, consider here like white line of the submit button. White line of the submit button is nothing but this middle border line, this middle border line. Okay, now for this middle border line, okay, outside box color showing, right? That is nothing but what is that? Margin, right? That margin they given 4 sides for that border. Yes or no? Same thing I will apply with the help of CSS here. Okay, where I need to apply for this border, right? Okay, now take here one class name. Okay, class name what you want, just take like MR and go to here and take your dot mr and inside mr I'm taking margin. Okay, inside margin 30 pixel means what happened? It will take 4 sides 30 pixel for this submit button. Yes or no? See, this direction 30 pixel, this direction 30 pixel, this direction 30 pixel, and this direction 30 pixel. Correct or not? Hey, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now here this margin I need to give with the help of Bootstrap. Okay. How to take that Bootstrap? How they give a name? Here complete name they are not giving for us margin. Instead of that one they are giving only one name. What is that name? M. Okay. For padding they are not giving complete name. What are they giving? P. Okay. M for classes and P for classes to set our margin and padding. Same thing I will apply here. Okay, now go to here. Margin means M. Okay, I'm giving here value call it as 4. 4 I given and go to web page and check it. Now this direction 4, this direction 4, this direction and this direction 4. Okay, mom, why you given 4 only? Now look at here. Again same thing for border. How we have size, for margin also we have one size. Okay, that size is nothing but 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Suppose I will give here size call it as 8. Means what happened? I took like exceeding value. Now that time it is not taking any margin value. Default value 0 it is considering because I given exceed of the 5. So instead of this one 5, then what happened? See, it is taking 5. Means inside margin we have predefined value up to 0 to 5. Are you getting my point?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Okay, now like this we have, and next another thing is padding I need to give. Then go to here padding, and inside padding suppose 30 pixel means what happened? Inside the border it is creating spaces. See, inside the border it is creating spaces. That's what I shown this diagram for you. See, in this diagram, okay, now inside the border means padding and outside the border is nothing but margin. See, I don't know you observed or not. See, when I'm moving, it is showing color for this one. See, here you observe, I will move here cursor. See, are you checking this color?
Yes, madam.
This is nothing but margin for this border. Okay. Now it is nothing but what? Border. Next, inside border, I given padding, right? See, padding it is taking. Color. It is giving somewhat different. Orange color. Light orange color it is giving, right? Okay. That is nothing but padding is. Okay. That padding I need to give with the help of what is that? Bootstrap. Okay. How can I give? P, right? Okay, now here I am taking P. Same here also range in between 0 to 5. I will consider like 3. Now it is giving what is that? 3 padding. Sorry, understood? Understood, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Super. Okay, now that is nothing but what is that? Margin and padding. Okay, now today what we discussed? We discussed how to give color effect and we discussed what is that? Inlet color, text color, BG color and BTN color. Okay, and next after that display we discussed, and after display box model means border, margin and padding we discussed. Okay, now if you want anything, okay, now we'll do one thing. Anyway, you have some overview, right? Then we'll do one thing. Okay, now I will consider here only do one thing. Instead of eliminating all the things, okay, now I will take here only one predefined code, call it as nav. Okay, each and every web page we have one navigation. Yes or no? See, if you want, I will show practically. What is that? Amazon. Okay, inside Amazon, top side it is showing, right? Top side it is showing, right? Everyone tell me, it is nothing but navigation, right? Now we'll go with another thing. What is that? Flipkart. Okay. Now in this Flipkart, again check it. Top side it is giving navigation bar, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this navigation I need to create with the help of Bootstrap. Okay, with the help of CSS also we can create, but it will not give any responsive. But when it comes to Bootstrap, it will give responsive. Okay, now for that one, go to original page and check it here. What is that? Topic name, call it as nav bar. Okay, inside this nav bar, they are providing different type of predefined structure. This is one predefined structure. Okay, it is one predefined structure navigation, which, see, I will tell only one thing you guys. Okay, in practically when you go to company, if they given one navigation requirement, in the navigation requirement which one is suitable for this predefined, take that code and modify that code. That's it. Okay, now here also one predefined, here also it is giving like this, all the things it is showing. Now we'll do one thing, will relate with this one. Okay, here what I need, one search bar I need, and next one drop down list I need. Okay, now remaining normal content. Now I will relate here which is suitable for this one. Can I say first one is suitable for that one? Yes or no? See, one drop down is there and one search bar is there. We can take this predefined code and we can modify. Just do one thing, copy this code, guys. Okay, I copied this code. Just go to what is that, Visual Studio, and paste it. Okay, now later just go to web page. Okay, and check it whether it is giving navigation or not. It is giving one navigation. I think it is taking margin. Where just change where we given padding and margin. Did I given anywhere? Why it is giving? Okay, do one thing. That is width and height or something. Okay, we'll do one thing. I think it is taking width and height. Instead of that, we'll consider like comment lines for all. Okay, now check it. Yeah, okay, eliminated that. Now it is giving everything, right? Already I said this is possible with the help of JavaScript link, right? Okay, now look at here. Why I given here JavaScript link? Look at present. I'm not giving this one. I given in comment line, means it is not taking anything. Whether it is working or not, I'm hitting enter, but it is not giving any options. Only because of what is a JavaScript link, it is working. Yes or no? So uncomment this and again go to browser and check it. See, it is working. Means only because of JavaScript link this functionality working. So we need both CSS link as well as JavaScript link. Okay, that is first point. And second point, we need to modify this code, right? Okay, now we'll do one thing. Take this Flipkart. Okay, I will consider this Flipkart. Okay, save as. Where I need to save? What is our folder name? I think in okay, on this desktop I created, right? Okay. Now save it this and go to here guys. First what I need logo, right? Instead of this navbar content, okay, what I need logo. Then take image tag. Inside image, what is that name? Something f, like that we have just give here one f, it is showing, and give that complete path and go to here and check in our original page. Yes, it is giving or not? Instead of number it is giving logo, right? After logo, okay, this search bar where I need beside of my Flipkart, right? Okay, now just take this complete search bar. Okay, take this search bar. Sorry, wait. This search bar code I'm copying. Okay, where I need beside of my button, right? Okay, now we'll do one thing. I will place inside here. Whether it is giving or not, we'll check. Yes, it is giving but search bar, but I don't want any search button because in this Flipkart there is no button for us. Then just go to here and remove this button. This is not at all required for us. Okay, now again go to here and check it. Now we don't have any button. Next, after here, what I need, one drop down list I need. So can I say this is required for us, this drop down? Okay, remaining home and link we don't want, so remove this what is that, home and link. Okay, sorry. Okay, now here instead of drop down, what name they given? Name, call it as account, right? And just check, it is giving one account but same names it is giving, so we need predefined names. I will take only 4 guys, remaining you will do. Okay, my profile and super coin zone, something they given. Just go to here. First one what we have, I think my profile, and next name call it as what is that, super coin zone, right? Okay, super coin zone. Next letter. Okay, orders. Just do one thing, remove this one. Okay, take here orders. Okay, like this, copy all the things. We don't have time, so I'm not taking all the things. Okay, now it is giving my profile super coins orders. Okay, now after that thing, what we have, cart, right? Then go to here and instead of disable I need card. Okay, now why it is disabled? Because they given one property, so remove it and take it as here. What is that? Cart. Okay, now after cart, another name, what yeah, become a seller. Then do one thing again, just copy this date and copy here, and instead of cart will go here like become a cart. Okay, what is that? Become a seller, I think. Next later one drop down menu we have, and the drop down menu again I am copying this complete code only. If you want, you can take another code. I'm not taking all the things. Okay, now here I give it. Just go see, instead of these 3 bars menu, I'm taking what is it again, this account instead of account name. Okay, I will go with your name, call it as menu or 3 dots, anything is fine. Then we'll do one thing, 3. Actually that is not 3 dots, that is one icon. Okay, just simply I give it. Okay, now it is giving some names, all the things, but I need some space, right? Okay, how can I give space? With the help of margin and padding is possible. Padding means inside, but inside we don't want, but we need outside. So what I need to do for image, I'm taking class name and margin ending I given 5, range between 5 only, right? See, some space created. Starting also I need space. Then ms means starting, I given 4, means for this flip card starting 4 it's given, ending 5 it's given. Okay, now search bar, and take this search bar. Okay, now for this search bar what we need to give? One class name. Okay, class name I will go with like yes one. Okay, now take here one, name s1 and class name I given, right? So dot s1, and inside dot s1 we will consider like 500 pixel, whether increased or not. Check it. Yes, increased. Okay, now what is that name? Search for products, brands and more, right? Again go here and give that name. Okay, now instead of here we'll go with one name. Yeah, okay, now search for what is it, products or some other things. Okay, now it is giving Gartner. Yes, it is giving search for products. Okay, now next here also some distance we need. So what we can do, again take it as account. Okay, inside this account, and I'm giving here my ending space as 4, and same like that for cart also I'm giving same thing, ending size as 5. Next for become a seller, again I'm giving ending as what is that, 4. Okay, now I think this is no, yeah we can take, because another we have, right? Okay, now we given 5, and check it here guys, whether it is showing like this or not. Except these icons, it is showing completely like a Flipkart navigation bar. Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, okay, it is nothing but what? Navigation bar. We can use like this predefined code, and as per that requirement we can modify. Okay, now inspect it, whether it is giving responsive or not. Did I given this responsive? This responsive icon did I given? No, Bootstrap only provided. Just to press this one, everything it is giving. Correct or not? See, look it. Did I give in? No, all the things it is providing with the help of Bootstrap. Are you getting my point, guys? It is one of the practical example. See, now like this it is showing. When it comes, already I said starting only. Advantage of Bootstrap, first point is nothing but responsive. Did I get it? Sorry, did I get that responsive? See, when it comes to minimize screen, it is creating 3 bars. After pressing that 3 bar, it is giving everything. Okay, this functionality is possible only with the help of JavaScript link. Suppose I am giving here JavaScript link like copy nature. Now is it possible? See, I'm pressing, I'm hitting again and again, but any subdate I'm not giving because JavaScript link not at all given. Now I give it. Now what happened? It is giving. Understood, guys? Everybody understood? Please let me know whether today topics cleared for you or not.
Yeah, yes, madam.
Yeah, okay. Now this is our what is that, today's class. Okay, now I don't know about further classes. Okay, now check with the what is this numbers only. Just wait 1 minute. Okay, I will speak with you. Just wait 1 minute. Okay, now understood this. Okay, this is the today online demo session. And next, if you want more updates, please subscribe, share MyGo Minds. Thank you.